ready? Let's have the letter sound.
Ready, set, go!
Wow. This one.
Apple.
Apple. Very good.
Um, um,
Wow, yummy apple. This one. B.
Boat.
Boat. You say the sound. Hello, teacher. B. Boat. Yes, that's right. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is just a dream. Ay, my shark. My shark's a river. Okay, this one. K.
Clown.
Clown. Scary ba clown? Okay, this one. D. Wow, you're playing the drum. This one. Elephant.
Yes, Lion King.
In Lion King, yes, there's an elephant in the Lion King. Okay, this one.
Rabbit.
Yeah, frog.
Jumping.
Yes,
Jumping.
cribbit. Okay, this one. G. Glove. Yes, gloves. Okay, next. You say the sound. House.
House.
Yes, house.
This is my house.
Yes, that's your house. Pretty house. Okay, next.
Mama, baby belly.
Okay, this one. Igloo. Yes, that's right. That next one. What's this? I say this one. Jet. I say jet. Okay, this one. Kite. Yes, very good. That's right. Next. Lion. Very good. This one.
Rat.
Monkey. What's the sound? Wow, very nice. This one, what's this?
Wow.
Nest.
Yes.
Nest. Okay, next.
Octopus.
Octopus. Very good. Next. Pig. Pig. Okay, this one, what's this? Queen. Very good. Yes, queen. This one.
Robot.
Robot. Very good.
Robot.
This one. Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Next. Turtle. I say the sound.
Turtle.
Okay, next.
Umbrella.
Very good. This one.
Violet.
Very good. This one. Next. Whale. That's right. Next. Xylophone. Okay, this one.
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Oh.
Okay, next. Z, z,
Zebra.
zebra. Very good. Good job. All right, now let's go back there.
Goodbye.
Okay. Let's go back here. Let's have letter. What letter is this? Letter
E. E.
What letter is this?
E.
E. What's the sound?
Eh.
Sound
Eh.
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 Yes. Eh. Oh, what's this?
Elephant.
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 Elephant. Look at that elephant.
I'm walking the elephant.
Yeah, walking elephant. Oh, what are these? Eh?
Eggs.
Egg. Oops. It cracked. Okay, next.
Enter.
This one is enter.
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 Exit.
And then exit.
Exit.
Exit. All right, let's play.
Drag the letters to the correct nest.
Okay, let's drag the letters to the correct nest. Okay.
Capital,
E.
lowercase,
E.
Okay, so this is capital, lowercase. Okay, what's this? Capital or lowercase? Is it big or small?
Nawala ka, teacher.
Ay, nawala. Oo nga eh. Okay. Can you see this? Is it big or small? Big? Yes, big. This one. Big or small? Big, that's right. This one. Big or small? This one is small. Okay, so this is big. This is small. Okay. What's this? Big or small? This is small. Okay, this one, big or small? This is small. Okay, this one, big or small? This is small. This one, big or small? Big. Last one, is this big or small? Ay, nawala.
Well done. F.
Okay, the sound is? All right. Oh, what's this? Fox. That's right.
Fox.
Okay, next. What's this?
Like Nemo.
Yeah, like Nemo. What is it? It's
Fish. Fishy.
fishy.
Bubble.
Yes. This one, how many? Let's count.
Five fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers.
5 fingers.
That's a thumb. Okay. Now 5 fingers.
5 fingers. Can you say that? 5 fingers.
5 fingers.
Yes, that's right. 5 fingers.
Tap on the letter that does not belong.
All right, let's tap on the letter that does not belong. What letter is this? Letter?
R.
Yes, very good. Good job. Okay, which letter that does not belong? Letter?
C.
Yes, letter
gosh.
C. Very good. Letter C. Which letter that does not belong? Letter M.
M.
M. That's right. M. Very good. Can you read this one, Ivana?
Go.
I.
I
This one. I run. Yes, that's right.
can run.
Only I run. Yes. I just say I
run.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What's this?
I run.
This one, what's this?
I
What is he doing?
can read
Yes. I read.
I agree.
Yes.
Ang dami, teacher, ang daming books ko.
Wow, that's good. You just practice reading on your books, ah. Okay, this one, what's this?
Tapos wala sa mama.
Mm-mm.
Wala sa mama ko eh.
This one, what's this? What's this? What are you doing? What's that?
I can eat my food.
You say I eat. Yes. Okay, next. Let's try to read this one. I can. Okay, can you read it?
Run. I can run.
Yes, very good. How about this one, the second one? Can you read? I can.
My book.
Okay, I can read. How about this one? What's this? I can. Say it louder because I can't hear it. What is it? I can. I can eat. Okay. I can. What is it? What's it? I can. I can eat. I can eat. Okay, this one. What is he doing?
Yes, here you do. I can. I can.
Yeah, I can brush. Brush.
Yes, I can.
Yes. Yes.